In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your game requires a system restart to play Valorant. So let's get started on the solution. So the first thing that you have to do here is to close your Riot account or your Riot client and go to your uninstall page in Windows. So go ahead and type in uninstall, and you can see the add or remove program system setting here. Go ahead and search for Vanguard. Go ahead and uninstall this. Once you've successfully uninstalled Vanguard, go ahead and open your Riot account again. From here, go to your Valorant, and as you can see, I'm now prompt to update. Just go ahead and press the update, and that should install the Riot Vanguard again. So for our next step, we are now going to go to our task manager. So just click, hit on Control Shift Escape, go to details, and search for Riot Services. As you can see, I already have the Riot Client Services here. Just right click on it and go to set priority and set the priority to high. So once done, go ahead and go to startup and search for Vanguard. Make sure that this is enabled. So right now this is disabled on mine. Just right click on it and enable. Most of the time this will fix your issue, but if this doesn't fix your issue, we are going to go to our next fix, which is to enable the VGC as automatic. So go ahead and go to your services, click on the name, and just type in VGC. Right click on VGC, and on properties, just set the startup type to automatic and click on apply and OK. Once you set the VGC to automatic, go ahead and restart your PC, and that should fix your issue. Like and subscribe if you found this video helpful.